Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing one of my absolute favorite comfort recipes, vegan minestrone soup. This dish is hearty, packed with vegetables and perfect for cozy nights when all you want is something warm and nourishing. So grab your aprons and let's dive in. As you might have noticed, I am really prone to soup. So when the soup weather starts coming in, I am all in for it. So today I'm gonna ask you then to grab your vegetables because you will need all of this. Keep in mind there are numerous recipes online. Go with what your heart desires. I'm picking the ingredients that I like the most. So for my minestrone, I do like to use squash, diced celery stalks, diced zucchini, diced carrots, a lot of chopped onions, a lot of garlic. You also need some diced tomatoes, cannellini beans, vegetable broth or vegetable cubes if you don't have the broth, dried oregano, dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, spinach, small pasta, anything you like, and a handful of fresh basil for garnish. These ingredients are simple, but when they come together, they create the most comforting, flavorful soup, perfect for all the cozy nights that we have ahead of us. So I'm gonna ask you to start by heating a couple of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once that's warm, we are going to saute onions, garlic, carrots, celery. These are the basic flavors that create the foundation of our soup. Cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. You'll know you're on the right track when your kitchen starts smelling amazing. Next, add your zucchini, diced tomatoes, cannellini beans to the pot. Stir everything together, letting the ingredients mix beautifully. Now we are going to pour in our vegetable stock with water, and this broth will bring everything together in one delicious flavorful base. Don't forget your herbs, add in as much as you like. I would say let's start by teaspoon and then you can add more if you think you need to infuse the broth even further. These herbs are what gives the cozy feeling and familiar taste we all love. Add salt and pepper to taste and bring everything to a boil. Once your soup reaches a boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for the next 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the vegetable time to soften and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Now it's time to add the pasta. I'm using some small shells, but you can use whatever pasta you have at hand. Stir it in and let the soup simmer for another 10 minutes until the pasta is perfectly tender. Right before serving, we are going to add a handful of fresh spinach. The heat of the soup will wilt the spinach, adding the final touch of color and nutrition. And if you want to take it to the next level, sprinkle in some fresh basil right at the end. It adds such a burst of freshness. And here is our vegan minestrone soup. Perfect for cozy evenings at home. The flavors are rich, the ingredients are tender, and the pasta adds the perfect bite. This is just what you need on a chilly day. So hearty, so comforting. You've got to try this at home. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. I hope this vegan minestrone brings a little extra warmth and comfort to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. Thank you for everything. I love you always.